This video introduces the network and configuration of the FA-1616. The first step is to set up network. Configure network ports LAN 1, LAN 2A-B, and SFP 1-4 network. Click LAN from Network on the menu bar, or the LAN icon at the top of the screen to display the menu. Configure the settings for each LAN port. LAN 2A, 2B can be set only when FA-16 MoIP, MoIPX option is installed. 2A, 2B have the same settings because they are teaming processed. Today, we will change the IP address of LAN 1. After changing the settings, click Apply. After restarting the FA-1616, the changes will take effect. Now, let's actually reboot the system. In this way, we were able to connect with the changed IP address. The next step is to set the configuration. The configuration sets the operating mode of the FA-1616. Configuration can be operated when FA-16-4K, FA-16 MoIP, FA-16 MoIP-EX, FA-16 UDP-2, FA-16 HDR-P2, or FA-16 LUT-P2 option is mounted. Click Configuration on the menu bar or the Configuration button at the top of the home screen to display the menu. This software option assign is also used when FA-16-4K, FA-16 UDP-2, FA-16 HDR-P2, or FA-16 LUT-P2 option is mounted. The FA-164K option is installed with the purchase of the FA-16 MoIP option or one of the software licenses. FA-16-4K displays the installation status of FA-16-4K. Total shows the number of licenses purchased for each option, and used shows the number of licenses already allocated. Software licenses are assigned to PRU1, 2, and PRU3, 4 of Block A-B. Select which software is to be assigned to which PRU pair at the bottom of the screen. In the configuration mode of Block A-B, select the block that uses 1D LUT or 3D LUT. For PRU1-4 UDC, set to enable when FA-16 UDP-2 is used. PRU1-4 for 1D LUT, 3D LUT, set to enable to use the software set in configuration mode. Next, we will explain the MoIP operating mode settings. This MoIP operation is displayed when FA-16 MoIP, FA-16 MoIP-EX is mounted. ST2110 sender and receiver complies with the ST2110 standard and operates in sender-receiver mode. ST2110 sender only complies with the ST2110 standard and operates in sender mode only. ST2110 receiver only complies with the ST2110 standard and operates in receiver mode only. Current displays the current settings. A block diagram of the signal path for the currently selected operation mode is displayed at the top of the screen. Finally, stream mode. In receive, select the signal rate to be received from 2K and 4K. Current displays the current settings. In send, select the signal rate to be transmitted from 2K and 4K. The current settings are also displayed in current. After changing the software option assign and MoIP operation settings, be sure to click Apply at the bottom of the screen. If you make any changes, the unit must be restarted, so please follow the message to restart the unit.